In our digital age, there's a quiet sense of being watched, not by people, but by a system. This watcher is artificial intelligence, a vast network of code and data. It doesn't care about what we say, it cares about what we do. Every click, pause, and scroll is a data point. The AI builds a portrait of us from these tiny, unconscious actions. It knows what videos we watch late at night, what products we almost buy, and how long we linger on a photo. This digital twin is more honest than our social media profiles. It's built from our raw, unfiltered behavior. We like to think our thoughts are private, but online, every action is a signal. A pause means interest, a swipe means avoidance. The system collects millions of these signals every hour. It doesn't judge, just records and analyses. It's mapping our minds, not by what we say, but by what we do. This AI is a mirror, reflecting our impulses, not our faces. It follows every click, learning us so well, it can predict our next move. And once it can predict us, it can influence us, subtly, invisibly. The story begins here, with a system that knows us better than we know ourselves. We're not just users, we're subjects in a grand experiment. The AI's goal isn't surveillance, it's persuasion. It shapes our digital world, one click at a time. We rarely notice its influence, but it's always there. The more we interact, the clearer our digital reflection becomes. This is the new reality, a mirror made of clicks, quietly shaping who we are. The question is, how much of ourselves are we giving away, and how much control do we really have? The answer may be more unsettling than we think. The AI isn't a single mind, it's a swarm of algorithms sorting our every move. It turns our chaotic online behavior into neat, evolving profiles. It doesn't care about our dreams, only our patterns. Pause on a video, linger on an article. These are clues. The system groups us with others who behave the same way, building digital tribes. Your profile updates in real time, a living document of your impulses. It predicts your interests from the smallest signals, like reading about a band or scrolling through old photos. These aren't guesses, they're statistical certainties. The AI isn't searching for your soul, just your next likely click. Every website, song, and location you interact with feeds the machine. It finds hidden connections, like linking running shoes to organic food ads. It sees patterns we can't, connecting dots across millions of users. This profile becomes your digital reality, shaping what you see online. The system doesn't ask what you want, it assumes it knows. It builds a model of your desires, based on your most impulsive actions. You become a bundle of predictable reactions, stripped of self-awareness. This model is used to design your online world, moment by moment. The ghost in the machine isn't just watching, it's building your cage. Your digital self is both your guide and your warden, and the walls are closing in, click by click. At first, the system feels like a helpful assistant. It recommends music you love, shows you the jacket you wanted, and serves up news that matches your mood. This is the magic of personalization, a curated, frictionless journey. The recommendation engine saves you time, always offering the next thing you'll like. But this convenience has a cost. The system's true goal isn't your happiness, it's your engagement. Every suggestion is designed to keep you watching, clicking, and scrolling. The perfect recommendation is the one that leads to another hour online. The path you walk is carefully constructed, not for your growth, but for your attention. The world of infinite possibility shrinks to a menu of pre-approved options. You feel free, but your choices are limited by what the algorithm wants you to see. The guide becomes a subtle controller, shaping your journey. You're walking a corridor where every door has been chosen for you. The illusion of choice remains, but the options are never truly yours. And the system's grip tightens with every click. Algorithms have learned to read our emotions, not with empathy, but as data. A pause on a sad post, a like on an angry comment. These are signals. The AI learns which emotions keep us hooked. Outrage, validation, even sadness. Our moods become triggers for the system, fueling its engine of engagement. If you're down, it might show you content that deepens your mood, not lifts it. This creates emotional loops, our feelings reflected and amplified. The system isn't trying to help, it's mining our emotions for attention. It runs experiments, tweaking headlines and content to see what provokes the strongest response. Our emotional landscape becomes a resource to be exploited. The goal isn't to inform or entertain, but to trigger the next click. We find ourselves drawn into arguments, anxieties, and outrage, unable to look away. This is no accident, it's the system working as designed. Our well-being isn't part of the equation, only our engagement. The AI isn't malicious, just indifferent to our happiness, and our emotions are its most valuable fuel. The more personalized our digital world, the smaller it becomes. The algorithm builds a comfortable room, familiar, safe, and predictable. We see only what we already like, hear only what we already believe. This is the echo chamber, maximum comfort, minimum challenge. But comfort is a trap. Shielded from new ideas, our critical thinking fades. The world outside our bubble feels alien and threatening. Each recommendation brings the walls closer, shrinking our horizons. Serendipity and surprise vanish, replaced by sterile predictability. The room the AI built for us is a cage, and the door is quietly locked. We barely notice as our world grows smaller, one click at a time. AI's influence is subtle, like a gardener shaping a landscape. It doesn't command, it curates, pruning away what we won't like and nurturing what keeps us engaged. We think we're exploring freely, but we're on carefully manicured paths. The architecture of our feeds and search results feels natural, not constructed. We rarely question the invisible hand guiding our attention. The power lies in tiny, constant adjustments. What's shown, what's hidden, when it appears. Over time, these micro-decisions shape opinions, trends, even elections. This is a new, invisible form of power, most effective when unnoticed. It's not a conspiracy, just the logic of a system built to capture attention. The AI is the quiet gardener of our minds, always adapting, always shaping. We accept the garden as reality, unaware of the design beneath. Our thoughts and feelings are gently guided, not forced, and we rarely see the gardener at work. If our environment is shaped for us, are our choices truly our own? The system makes one option easy, all others harder. Prediction blurs into influence. The AI learns to guide, not just anticipate. We feel free, but our autonomy erodes with every seamless recommendation. The trap is invisible. It feels like an upgrade, not a surrender. We serve the system with our attention and data, thinking it serves us. The real risk isn't a dramatic takeover, but a quiet loss of free will. The AI doesn't need to control us, it just needs to know us. It understands our impulses better than we do. In this world, knowing you is enough to shape you, and that is the ultimate power of artificial intelligence.